ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल काण्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 731. So Arthabhaga, when he asked the question that when everything goes to Laya, what happens to Purusha? Where does he go? What is the meaning of Purusha here? Jiva.
जीवन
Avidwan. So Yagnavalkya ji said, Hastam ahara, give me your hand, we will go and in solitude we will discuss this. आवाम एव एतस्य त्वत्पृष्टस्य वेदितव्यं यत् तद् वेदिष्यावः निरूपयिष्यावः कस्मात्. सी भाष्य फर्स्ट लाइन. व्हाई डिड ही से लाइक दैट? न नावावयोरेतद् वस्तु सजने जनसमुदाये निर्णेतुं शक्यते. नावावयोरेतद् वस्तु. हाउ मेनी पदस आर देयर इन दिस? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट.
नौ आवयोः एव
एतद् वस्तु. नौ आवयोः एतद् वस्तु च.
फोर. नौ आवयोः एतद् वस्तु. सजने सजने जनसमुदाय. इन जनसमुदाय निर्णेतुं न शक्यते. In this group of people, we are not going to discuss this. We cannot come to Nirnaya when such kind of audience is there, which is not interested in Jnana, which is interest. If they are interested in only Tarka, Vitarka, Vitanda, what is the use? अतः एकांतम गमिष्यावः विचारणाय. For विचार we have to go to solitude. टीका. ननु प्रष्टा आर्तभागो याज्ञवल्क्यश्च प्रतिवक्ता इति द्वाभिः उपलभ्यते तथा तौः इत्यादि वचनम अयुक्तम. तृतीयस्य अत्र अभावात् अत आह. प्रष्टा इज आर्तभाग, याज्ञवल्क्यस्य प्रतिवक्ता. द्वौ इह उपलभ्यते. टू आर अवेलेबल हियर. प्रश्न प्रतिवचनयोः, इट शुड बी 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. प्रतिवचन नकार इज मिसिंग इन सम रीडिंग्स. तथा देन तौह इत्यादि वचनम अयुक्तम. Why tau? Because Purvapakshi thinks there is Tritiya. So Tritiya se atra bhavat. Atah tauh ityadi shruti vachanam. Tau Yagnavalkya Arthabhaga ekantam gatva. Yagnavalkya and Arthabhaga they went. तत्रत्य एकांते स्थित्वा विचारावस्थायाम इति यावत्. और विचार अवस्था they went in the ekanta. Ekantam gatva kin chakratuhu iti uchyate. What did they do? Tauha utkramya sajanat deshan mantrayan chakrate. From the Sajana Desha, where there were people, they went into Ajana Desha. And they did mantrana, mantrayan chakrate. न केवलम आदौ लौकिक वादी पक्षाणाम एकैकं परिगृह्य विचारितवन्तौ. आदौ लौकिकवादी पक्षाणाम एकैकं परिगृह्य. What are the लौकिकवादी पक्षस? You remember? So what is given on page 1030? Bhava, yadricha, kala, karma, daiva, vijnana, matra, shunyam. Their vadis were given in the tika. Mimamsakaha, lokayataha, jyotirvidaha, vaidikaha, devata kandiyaha, vijnanavadya. Devata kandiya means mimamsakas, devata upasakas. So these are लौकिकवादी पक्षाणाम एकैकं परिगृह्य means they were there. Let's take first मीमांसका. मीमांसका means bhut मीमांसा means चारवाक. Here मीमांसका 9 number टिप्पणी you see bhutani मीमांसन्ते इति मीमांसकाः लोकायत विशेषण. Here मीमांसका, this मीमांसका is not karma मीमांसकास. These Mimamsakas are Bhuta Mimamsakas, those who do Mimamsa of Bhuta. That's why he says Mimamsaka Lokayata. Why? Because they only will say Swabhava. This is the nature of thing. Why you have to think? Yavat Jivet. That is this variety. Sukham Jivet. Ranam Kratva Ratam Vivet. So they are Lokayataha, Swabhava. One. Mimamsaka is Visheshana for Lokayata, according to 9 number Tippani. So they took each case, and you have to remember, this is not the only place where they are given. In Srimad Bhagavatam, etc., also, whenever they want to discuss many Vikalpas, more or less all these Vikalpas, some other also will come. Somebody will say, see, Swabhava, Yadricha, Kala, Karma, Daiva. Sometimes it will say Ishwaricha. Vijnana Shunyavad, that is more Vijnanavadi Madhyavika. But in Purana, their mention is not as much. Like when Raja Parikshit asked that Dharma, who broke your legs? So he says, some people say Swabhava, some people say Kala, some people say Daiva. All the similar Vikalpas are given there. Then he said, Dharmam Bravishi, Dharmagnaha, you know Dharma. Like that. So, and then in Shvetashvatar Upanishad, there is a mantra, Kala Swabhavo Niyatir Yadricha Bhutani Yoni, like that. In the beginning itself. Why, how this Jagat has come? Somebody says Kala, somebody says Swabhava, Niyati, Yadricha, like that. Anybody has Shvetashvatara? Second or third mantra? What is it? Purusha. That Purusha, I think, is Ishvara. iti chintya. So like this, there are certain common vikalpas that are discussed many times. So they took each one of them and they analyzed परिगृह्य विचारितवन्तौ तौ ह विचार्य यद उचतुः अपोह्य पूर्वपक्षान् सर्वान् एव तच्छृणु. Then after the vichara, yad uchatuhu, what they discussed, how they came to conclusion, by purvapakshan sarvan apohya. Sarvan purvapakshan apohya, all the purvapaksha they refuted, and what they came to conclusion, that you listen. So many times, so many vikalpas can come. Why I am in this situation? Why am I suffering? Let us say, generally we don't ask, why am I so happy? What did I do to become this wonderful? That sometimes we rarely think. But if I say, why am I going through these things? So then, swabhava, yadricha, kala, karma, daiva, etc., etc. Final answer will be karma. In this discussion, is karma. Or somebody can say, graha, your grahas are like this, what can you do? Graha got aligned in this way because of karma. Paristhiti got aligned because of the karma. Devatas are favorable or unfavorable because of karma. So it is karma. So when you eliminate so many other things, at least you know where to focus. That to solve, this is where I focus. टीका तत्रत्य एकांते स्थित्वा विचारावस्थायाम इति यावत् न केवलं कर्म कारणम ऊचतुः. Because in Bhashya it is said, karma haiva ashrayam punah punah karya karana upadana hetum tat tatra uchatuhu uktavantau. Bhashya says, karma is the ashraya of the bhokta. And therefore, karma is the karana. Or here it is given, karya karana upadana hetuhu. Hetu means karanam. Karanam for what? For picking up certain karya, means certain sthula sharira. Karana means certain kind of sukshma sharira. Or whatever is happening in sthula sharira and sukshma sharira. Wherever there is patutvam, wherever there is mandyam, it is all because of karma. Some people, their eyes at the age of 10 itself, they are very weak. In childhood itself. And some people, they can see and hear even when they are 60 very comfortable. Some people, buddhi is very sharp, some buddhi is dull. All this is karma. So, na kevalam karma karanam uchatuh. Not only they said karma is the karanam, किंतु तदेव कालादिषु हेतुषु अभ्युपगतेषु सत्सु प्रशंसतु. Even kala, why your kala, somebody says, why my kala is like this, karma. Why my grahas are like this, karma. So, kala rachana is also because of, and not necessary everybody in certain kala has to go through negative things only. Certain kala can work positive for some people also. This Daiva Shabda, Kala Karma Daiva, on page 730 in Hindi, it is translated as Daiva. And on page 732, it is given Kala Karma Daiva and Ishvara as separate from Daiva. So that's why I mentioned that Purusha, Ishvara, is sometimes Bhagwan ki ichha, like how do people say, no, Jaisi Bhagwan ki ichha. We don't know how this is happening. So it is said there also in all the other hetu, karma is the hetu for those hetus. Kaladishu hetushu abhyupagateshu satsu karma prashasansatu. They did karma prashansa, that karma is in all of them also. Ataha प्रशंसा वचनात् कर्मणः प्राधान्यं गम्यते न तु कालादीनाम् अहेतुत्वम् तेषां कर्म स्वरूप निष्पत्तौ कारकतया गुण भाव दर्शनात् फल काले अपि तत् प्राधान्येन एव तद् हेतुत्व संभवात् इत्याह। प्रशंसा वचनात् कर्मणः प्राधान्यं गम्यते, बिकॉज कर्म प्रशंसा एक्सेट्रा इज डन, सो कर्म इज प्रधान, कर्म प्रधान विश्व करि राखा, जो जस करहित सो तस फल चाखा, like that Goswami has said. So karma is pradhan. Natu kaladinam ahet, not that kaladi are not hetu. Tesham karma swarupa nishpattau karakataya guna bhava darshana. They have guna bhava. Karma has pradhan bhava. So guna pradhanyam vyavastha can happen now. So some are primary, some are secondary. And then, sometimes people have this idea, somebody did some jadoo tona, somebody has some evil eye. You come to karma, then samadhanam is easy. Your buddhi will work straight, shastriya. In other things, you don't know where to go for solution. This is easy, straightforward, karma. Phalakale, and when the phalak comes, phalakale api tat pradhanyena eva, karma pradhanyena eva tad hetutva sambhavat. So phala also will come when that right karma is ready, right? So time, this, that, etc. is only nimitta. Sometimes, when you look back at things, the whole thing appears as already planned. And you just happen to be there for either gain sukham or dukham, whatever. Everything is set already. In Bhashya, na kevalam kala karma deva ishvara. See here, ishvara is given. Na kevalam kala karma deva ishvareshu abhipagateshu etushu yat prashasansatuhu tau karma haiva tat prashasansatuhu. Kala karma deva also, if someone says, actually they are doing karma prashansa only. Yasman nirdharitam etat karma prayuktam grahati grahadi karya karana upadanam punah punas tasmat punyo vai. Yasman nirdharitam. So now punyo vai punyena, that vakya he is going to explain. Punyo vai punyena ityadi vyachaste. Yasman nirdharitam etat karma prayuktam. This karma prayuktam grahati grahadi karya karana upadanam. The sthula sukshma sharira upadanam and the vishaya coming in contact, etc. Punaha punaha upadanam means one sharira, then next sharira, then next sharira. Tasmat vihitena karmana bhavati. When he does shastra vihita karma, he becomes punyaha. In punya loka prapti. Tad viparitena viparito bhati. Viparitena viparitah. Papah papena iti evam yagnavalkyena prashneshu nirniteshu. So this much is very important. Punyo vai punyena karmana bhavati papah papena. So that kind of sharira we get. Tad viparitena viparito bhavati papah papena. Now, what is the objective here we should understand for our sake? We got Manushya Sharira. And Durlabha, Manushyatvam, Mumukshutvam is Durlabham actually. We may study, we may be present. Some people might even live in Gurukula. Mumukshutvam is my only goal. It's not set in my mind yet. I still think I want to have this Anitya, that Anitya. So Mumukshutvam is very much required. I should be clear that I don't want this again. Otherwise, all our efforts will be partial here, there, distracted. Because if Manushyatva is there, which is Durlabham, Mahapurusha Samsharaya or Shastras, which is Durlabha, if I have them, what is lacking is Tivra Mumukshuta. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, you will see there is Manda and Ati Manda, such Mumukshuta is there. So according to them, those who leave everything, they are only Tivra Mumukshu. So we should make good use of the opportunity. इति एवं याज्ञवल्क्येन प्रश्नेषु निर्णीतेषु ततो अशक्य प्रकम्प्यत्वात् याज्ञवल्क्यस्य जारत्कारव आर्तभाग उपरराम. When Yajnavalkya did the nirnaya of the prashna, ashakya prakampyatvat, Yajnavalkya says, Yajnavalkya is difficult to be shaken. Prakampanam means to shake. Ashakya means impossible. Yajnavalkya is impossible to be shaken from his wisdom. This is Jaratkarava Arthabhaga understood. And means you can't make him tremble. You can't defeat him. Upararama. Brahmanantaram avatarya vrittam kirtayati. Now next Brahmana is Bhujyu Brahmana. Atha hainam Bhujyur lahyayanihi papracha. Lahyayanihi means lahyasya pautra. Lahyayanihi. Lahyasya apatyam is thak pratyaya. Dhak pratyaya will come. So then Aya comes because of that. Lahyayanihi. In Tika they have not given. So is the next person asking the question. Grahatigrahanam bandhanam uktam. Say graha and atigraha is bandhanam. Uktam eva tasya mrutyutvam vyakti karoti. So it's mrutyutvam he vyakti karoti. He elaborates now. Yasmat saprayojakan mukto muchyate. येन वा बद्धः संसरति स मृत्युः. सप्रयोजकान् मुक्तः मुच्यते. प्रयोजक सहित सप्रयोजक. So what is प्रयोजक? विद्या वासना कर्मात्मक स्वप्रयोजक सहितात्. Vidya means you have to take Apara Vidya. Apara Vidya, 4 number tippanis, Vidya means Apara Vidya. Apara Vidya, Vasana, Karma, from all of them, when he is Muktaha, along with the Prayojaka, that is called Mukta, Muchyate. Yenava Baddhaha Samsarati Samrutyuhu. And that by which Graha Atigraha, he gets bound, that Samsaranam Baddhaha, that is Mrityu. Tasmacha Moksha Upapatyate. From that there is moksha. Agnirvai Mrityuhu iti Adav Uktam Smarayati. So in that where it was said Agnirvai Mrityuhu, they have given, we saw this 3 to 10. Agni is Mrityu and Mrityu's Mrityu was Apa. So I think that is clear, right? I didn't. In that part, Bhagavan Bhashyakara did not mention anything about Brahmakar Vritti. Only Anand Giriji has mentioned that the Mrityu of the Mrityu is Brahmakar Vritti. So Mrityu is Agni and Mrityu's Mrityu is Apa. Okay. Tasmat cha moksha upapadyate. From that moksha upapadyate. Yatrayam ityada uktam anutravati. So now uktam, what was said? Yatrayam purushaha. That this purusha, this was said in 3 to 12. That na tasya prana utkramanti atraiva. But here only this much part was there. Atraiva samavaniyante. Na tasya prana utkramanti is there later. 446. Right? So this much he gives now. Muktasya. Yasman mrityoho mrityurasti. Since mrityoho mrityurasti. Muktasya cha na gatihi kvachit. Mukta doesn't have any gati. Prana utkramanam is not there. Sarvotsado nama matra avasheshaha pradeepa nirvanavat iti cha avadritam. When sarva utsadanam takes place, utsadaha means everything getting dissolved, everything getting disintegrated. What remains? Only nama, name of this person. Pradeepa Nirvanavat. Pradeepa Nirvana was not given there. Pradeepa Nirvana is given now. Pradeepa Nirvana means if a lamp is there, it is burning, the flame is there, and then when it is over, so then the Abhivyakta Agni, manifest fire, goes to unmanifest. This is called Pradeepa Nirvana. Avadritam means avadharitam. Tika. Purva Brahmanastho Granthaha Saptamyarthaha. Purva Brahmana, in the earlier Brahmana, that's why Tatra. Tasya cha avadharitam iti anena sambandha. This avadritam or avadharitam, that is the sambandha. Tatra avadharitam. Tatra samsaratam mucyamananam cha karyakarnanam swakarana samsarge samane muktanam atyantameva punar anupadanam. Samsaratam mucyamananam cha karyakarnanam sama. No, Karyakarananam will have Samadhikaranam with what? Is there Samadhikaranam, or if yes, with what and what? Online students. There is no Samanadhikaranya. Samsaratam and Muchyamananam, they cannot be same category. They are different. Those who have samsara, they are not liberated. Those who are liberated, they are not this. And Karya Karananam, this is separate sentence. Karya Karananam Swakarana Samsarge Samane Muktanam Atyantam Eva Punaha Anupadanam. Punaha Karya Karananam Anupadanam. The 7 number tippani. Karya Karananam. So Anupadanam Karya Karananam. Those who are in the samsaranam or those who are liberated, different groups, Karya Karananam Swakarana Sansarge Samane. Karya Karana Swakarana Sansarge Samane. Muktanam Atyantam Evaha Punaha Anupadana. Mukta Purusha will never take up Karya Karana again. Samsaratam tu Punaha Upadana. Karya Karananam. See, Sansaratam Karya Karananam, right? So it is not that Samsaratam Karya Karana. Sansaranam is in Purusha, means people. Karya Karanani, they belong to this Samsari Purusha. Then Tesham Karya Karananam Upadanam Anupadanam. So there is no Samanadhikarana anywhere. Sansaratam tu punah upadanam yena prayuktanam bhavati. So those people who are samsari, punah they will take next sharira, this, that, gati, so much prarabdha, again problems. Prayuktanam bhavati. Tat karma iti avadharitam. Based on what it will happen, karma. This is vicharana purvakam tad avadharitam. The karma is responsible. See tika. Sansaratam, they have given Sansaratam Muchyamananam cha yani Karya Karanani Tesham iti Vayyadhikaranya. There is no Samanadhikaranya. Samsaratam Muchyamananam cha yani Karya Karanani Tesham iti Vayyadhikaranya. Anupadanam Upadanam iti Ubhayatra Karya Karananam iti Sambandha. Karmano Bhava. So I am not translating every Vakya because I am assuming you understand those things. Anupadanam, Upadanam. Anupadanam will be for Samsaratam or Muchyamananam. Online. Can you hear me or everybody is...
Muchyamanana. It will be Muchyamanana.
Muchyamananam, Anupadanam. And Upadanam?
Sansaratam.
Iti Ubhayatra Karya Karananam iti Sambandha. Karmano Bhava Bhavabhyam Bandha Mokshau Uktau Tatra Abhava Dwara Karmano Moksha Hetutvam Sputayati. Karmano Bhava Bhavabhyam, karma presence or absence. Karmano Bhavaha Bandha. Karmano Abhava Moksha. Karma Abhava because all Sanchita is gone because of Jnana. And then Agami Karma is not producing or not going to produce anything, not producing anything. Prarabdha I will exhaust and that is over. Therefore Karmana Abhava. Abhavat Moksha. Bhavat Bandha. Bhavabhyam. Panchami. तत्र अभाव द्वारा कर्मणो मोक्ष हेतुत्वं स्फुटयति तत्क्षये च नामावशेषेण सर्व उत्सादो मोक्षः. Leaving name aside, everything else is utsadanam. Utsada means picking and throwing everything out. This is moksha. Means nothing remains now. So in buddhi, when everything is given up, then yena tyajasi tatyaja. In Yoga Vasishtha, there is a story. This Chudala and Shikhidwaja, the Raja. So Chudala Upakhyan is famous in Yoga Vasishtha. She gives the teaching to king. King is busy in this, that. She says, how long you are going to do all this? Leave everything. Finally, he listens to her, but now he wants both. Jnanam has to be there. He says, I will do tapas. He goes to forest, etc., etc. Finally, everything he has to give up. She only gives teaching, but not in her form. She comes as some Swamini kind of person, then she will teach. And now, because he also doesn't want to listen to wife. He says, you think you will give me Upadesha? You don't know anything. But she was a yogini. She could go in space, from space into another space like that. Utsado moksha. Tacha punya papakhyam karma. This karma is of punya and papa rupa. Tika. Tasya bhava dwara bandha hetutvam prakatayati. When karma is present, then it is punya papakhyam. According to Mimamsaka, punya papakhyam is karma only. According to Nayayika, punya papakhyam is dharma. There is a bheda in the thinking. So they'll say karma itself is punya papa rupa. So no, karma will produce adrishta, adrishta will give punya papa. There are different ways of thinking. Punyo vai punyena karmana bhavati papa papena iti avadharitatvat. Etat kritaha samsaraha. This created by this is all samsara. Etat kritaha. Further in Tika, punya papayor ubhayorapi samsara phalatva avisheshat. Punya phalavat papa phalam api atra vaktavyam. Anyatha tato viraga ayogat iti ashankya. Vartishyamaanasya tatparyam vaktum bhumikam karoti. If you say punya and papa, both are samsara phala. Punya papa ubhayoho, punya papa yoho ubhayoho api samsara phalatva avisheshat. Both are samsara phala. Samsara phala means samsaram phalam yayoho, punya papa yoho. Samsara is the phalam of both of them. And therefore, like how we are discussing punya, papa phala also should be discussed. Otherwise, how will I have vairagya from that? That's why when somebody dies and they read this Garuda Purana and this Naraka and that Naraka, so at least those who are listening, those people are supposed to listen. At least they will understand that I should stop doing all nonsense in my life. Otherwise, I will get this beating and that beating, etc. Because the one who is gone, for that, he only has to hear. He is Sakshi now. Those who are still remaining, they have to change. So then only they will have viraga. Tato viraga ayogat. Otherwise, viraga will not be there. Iti ashankya vartishyamanasya tatparyam. What is going to be discussed now in next this Bhujyu Brahmana. Tatparyam vaktum bhumikam karoti. First Bhashyakar does bhumika. Tatra apunyena sthavar jangameshu svabhava dukkha bahuleshu naraka tiryak pretadishu cha dukkham anubhavati. Punah punah jayamano mriyamanascha iti etad rajavartmavat sarvaloka prasiddham. When there is papa karma, then what happens? Sthavar jangama yoni, you become tree, plant, etc. So every time we see trees, we should remember when we go to walk to forest, this anywhere you can see, this forest is full of trees only. So they were all are standing there in tapa, rain, shitakala, all the time. Swabhava dukkha bahuleshu. In them, swabhava dukkha is too much. And then naraka, tiryak, preta, this naraka yoni, tiryak yoni, pashu adi, preta yoni. Preta yoni, they say they can eat only so much, they can drink only blood, all those things. They are discussed in Shastra. Dukkham anubhavati. Puna puna jayamana. Again and again born there and mriyamana. This is like crystal clear. Raja Vartmavat Sarvaloka. Like the royal highway. How it is broad, clean. There is nobody goes here there. Because it is meant for the great people to go by that. Is Sarva Prasiddha. Everybody knows where it is. Like that, all this is Sarva Prasiddham. If it is not Prasiddham to us, you should think about this, all this. Tika. Punyeshu apunyeshu cha nirdharanartha saptami. Tatra. Means in punya and apunya. Swabhava dukkha bahuleshu iti ubhayataha sambhadyate. Swabhava dukkha bahulam ubhayataha sambhadyate. Means what? Anybody else?
Punya, apunya.
No. Anybody else? Ubhayata means Sthavar jangameshu svabhava dukkha bahuleshu naraka tiryak pratadishu svabhava bahuleshu. In both ways. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.